Hello student, a very good morning to all. In the previous video, we had to discuss about some graphics mode in a QBasic, and also we had to discuss about the color statement. So with the help of graphics mode, you can select the different size of resolution, and the color statement you can select the different colors. So now we will continue the this graphics in QBasic lesson is continue, and today in this video we will know about the next statement. So the next statement is a line statement. So first we will know about what is the use of this line statement. So with the help of this line statement, you can draw any line on the screen of a QBasic. So how can you generate the line on the screen of QBasic? So there have a syntax. So with the help of this syntax, you can draw any line. So here first one we will write this line statement, then after x1 y1 and x2 y2 and color, and this is the color code, and then after b or bf. So what is the means of this syntax? So this is the x1 y1, this is the first coordinate, starting point of to generate this x1 y1, and then after with the help of this x2 y2 to generate the last point, ending point, and this is the color statement code. So with the help of this color statement, you can generate different colors of line. Then after here, this is the means of this syntax, where x1 y1 are the coordinates of the starting point where you want to draw a line, and x2 y2 are the coordinate of the ending point, and here this is a b or this is a bf. So what is the means of this b or bf? So with the help of this b statement, it is used to draw a box, and with the help of this bf statement to fill the box. So here this is the example to generate this line. So first we will write the CLS statement. So with the help of CLS statement to clear the output screen. Then after, this is the screen 12. So this is the resolution of this screen. Then after we will use this line statement. So here line, then after we will generate the starting point coordinate. So this is the starting point x1 y1, and then after we will write the ending point coordinate. Then after we will finish the program. So we will write this end statement. Then after, the next statement is a circle statement. So with the help of this circle statement, you can draw any circle, ellipse, any arc in a QBasic window. So how can you use this circle statement in a QBasic? So first we will see the syntax of this circle statement. So this is a circle, and there have only one coordinate, and then after we will write the radius and color code. So here xy to represent the coordinate of the center of the circle, and then after we will write the radius. So the radius indicates the size of the circle. The more of the radius, the bigger is the circle. If the color code is not given, then it displays the circle in white color. So this is the default color. So here this is the example to generate a circle. So here first we will write the CLS, then after screen 7. So here this is a different resolution of this screen, and then after we will write the circle statement. Then after first we will generate a center point. So this is the center point coordinate. Then after this is the radius. So this is the radius, and this is the color code. So this is the output of this program.